Welcome back, guys. So I've taught you how to use a thermal printer, right? Today we're going to be unboxing this thermal printer and the white box on the right. I'm going to tell you what it is when we get there. We're going to be unboxing these devices from Posa. Posa is that platform that pretty much lets you record your sales, manage your inventory, set up an online store, and basically eliminate fraud from your business. If people have been stealing from you, or you just really want to know where your money is going when your products are out of stock, Posa is that platform you can just sign up with for free and use it to manage and monitor your business. You can set up a Posa account by going to getposa.com, and once you're pretty much signed up, you can explore the platform, use it to track your sales and everything. I got these two devices from Posa and I am going to be unboxing it with you. So walk with me on this one. Again, the website is getposa.com. The brown box contains the thermal printer, which we're going to be looking at in a second. One of the questions I get asked a lot is if you have to install anything to use the thermal printer. Actually, no, you don't have to install anything. You don't have to do anything. I am going to show you how to just plug it and print receipts with it. The white box contains an Android touchscreen POS that you can easily connect to the thermal printer. If you look closely, you see that this is not just any Android device. It comes with two ports at the back, two USB ports, a power port, a LAN cable port, and even a HDMI port, and then an earphone jack. You can do so many things with it, and it already comes pre-installed with the Posa app. So you can also call it a plug and play device as well, because you really don't have to install anything, right? Now let's look at the cables. As you can see, it comes with a manual, and of course it has its own cable as well. You've seen both devices, right? Now let's take a closer look at the thermal printer. If you push down here, you open the printer. This detail is very important because you're going to need this a lot. You're going to be using this a lot. So this is how you pretty much open it. Again, super light. There's the paper roll that you're going to insert in it. Don't worry, I'll show you how to insert it, but first of all, we need to get it to come on. The cable it uses is a 3-pin AC adapter cable. So we're going to plug the 3-pin AC adapter cable to the back of the device to, of course, get it to come on. So let's first of all do that. You want to position it properly and plug it in. Once you've done that, you see it's going to come on. It's okay if it makes a noise. This red sound you see is just it coming on, and of course it's going to make a noise, just letting you know that it's empty or no paper inside. Then of course you connect your adapter cable to the back of the Android touchscreen device as well. Now the final part is you need to connect your USB A to USB B cable to the back of the thermal printer, right? Once you connect it to the back, you take the other end, the standard USB one, and plug it at the back of the Android POS machine. So we've done that. I'm going to pop this open. Let me show you how to add your paper roll inside the printer. Make sure it's facing the cover. You see it's facing the cover, then you close it. That's pretty much how you add your paper roll in it. So we're all set and good to go. I already have the Posa app installed on my phone, but we are not printing from my phone, right? We're printing from this POS machine. It's touch screen. You can swipe up to see the apps. Posa app is there, and you can also swipe down to connect to Wi-Fi. This is a very, very crucial part. You already have the device on, you want to connect it to Wi-Fi, you connect it to Wi-Fi, and then the next thing you want to do is log into the Posa app on the device. You log into the Posa app. Now place any order, of course, like you want to sell to a customer and print. So I'm going to place an order real quick. I have a customer waiting. Now you're going to see a bunch of options here. Of course, you have to select the method that they are paying with, and you go ahead and complete the order. Next thing you want to do is print the receipt. Now, because we're setting up for the first time, a couple of things are going to come up. Of course, you go all the way down here, click on the print icon. This is the sweet part. This is where you get to set everything how you want it to be. Our printer is no longer beeping because it's all set now. Paper is in it. Now, you can choose to print via Bluetooth, via network, which is the LAN cable option and the Wi-Fi option, and then there's the USB option. We connected a USB, right? So we'll be printing via USB. I'm going to print a test receipt, so we'll see if that works. Now I have to select the thermal printer, and I have selected that. You see that it just printed. So again, you don't have to install anything. All you have to do is just connect this device to your internet and then sign into the Posa app, and you're good to go. Let's print another one. I want you to actually watch me do this again. So I'm going to select a bunch of products like I'm selling to a customer. The customer is waiting. Once I've selected, the product and their quantity, the next thing I want to do is pretty much complete the order. So you go on and complete the order. And of course, we've connected our device. Don't worry, it remembers our settings. Then you click on complete order. Of course, you can change if the customer is paying with cash or card or any other option. So make sure that everything looks good, and then go ahead and print your receipt. So I'm going to go ahead and print the receipt again. Just watch me do that. Click on it. See, the printer is just waiting for me to send it. Then boom, it prints. So that's it. So these devices are from Posa. If you go to getposa.com, on the home page, you'll learn more about Posa. You also find an option on that home page to get these devices at discounted prices. So please make sure to check them out, and of course, let me know if you have questions. These are mine now. I'm going to be keeping them. It's not hot. It doesn't have any issues. No noise at all, apart from the beeping sound it made when I was turning it up the first time. So if you want us to troubleshoot this together after you buy or having any issues, just leave me a comment under this video and I'll be happy to assist you.